Hey everyone, come on and play! Let's learn some French with Meelu today. It'll be so fun! Hip hip hooray! Learning French is really cool. With all my friends at Meelu school. Learning French is really cool. Yeah! With all my friends it's really cool.
Hello friends, it's Meelu. Get ready, because today we aren't just counting, we are turning into number robots. We're gonna count all the way to 20 in our secret French code, but we're gonna move our bodies to power up the numbers. Let's start low on the ground like a rocket. In French, 1 is un, 2 is deux, 3 is trois, 4 is quatre, and 5 is cinq. With every number, stand up a little higher. Un, deux, trois, quatre, quatre, and at cinq, jump as high as you can. Blast off. Now, we're flying. Let's march like strong robots. The French word for six is six. 7 is sept. 8 is huit. 9 is neuf. And 10 is dix. Stomp your feet with me for every word. Six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Oh, I can feel the robot power. These numbers sound like a super nice song, so we're going to wiggle our arms. In French, 11 is onze, 12 is douze, 13 is treize, 14 is quatorze, and 15 is quinze. Wiggle left and right as we say them. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze. You look so awesome. We're almost at the finish line. Let's run in place as fast as we can. 16 is six. Now the 10 team. 17 is dix-sept. 18 is dix-huit. And 19 is dix-neuf. Ready for the big finish? 20 is vingt. Freeze! We made it! Wow! You just counted to 20 and did a whole workout. Your mission today: find 5 things in your house, touch them, and count them in French. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. You were magnifique today. Tomorrow, we are going to learn the secret names of the days of the week so we can plan our next party. Salut everyone, and à tantôt!